Are you sneezing? Oh, you sneezed an airplane out?
No.
Can you sneeze again? Oh, goodness. I'd probably sneeze too if I had an airplane up my nose. Show Daddy how you sneeze. Oh, goodness. Well, at least we know why you were congested. Do you say congested? You say airplane? Say sneeze.
Oh, God.
Do you think we should take you to the allergy specialist for your airplane allergic reaction? Drake, do you need to go to the doctor? Do you need to go to the doctor? Yes or no? No? Oh, you found some medicine for your allergies?